Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873 extension 4 bedroom/2.5 bath home on a corner lot with rocking chair front porch and side entry garage. Move-in ready. Freshly painted, new carpet being installed. See carpet sample in pictures to view the carpet color. Main level has plantation shutters and is all hardwood or tile flooring. Fully equipped kitchen with all appliances remaining, including refrigerator. Formal dining room west/judges paneling. GR west/gas fireplace. Master bedroom suite has separate dressing area with walk-in closet, double sink vanity west/area to sit, separate shower and jetted tub. 3 additional bedrooms with walk-in closets, all bedrooms upstairs. Patio with privacy fenced yard. Security system. Neighborhood is a block from the elementary school.